Hi everyone, Stacy Holman here. I'm with my little man, Juan. Oh, he just winked at you. He just winked at y'all. So precious. So anyway, so my last video I did an unboxing of everything I got for November, and I put the link in the description of where you can get those products. But what I didn't do was I wanted to show you this. It's the home cleaning kit, the Thieves Home Cleaning Kit. And this is Thieves is the only product I will use in my home. So I wanted to show you what was in it, because it comes with some really cool stuff. Anyway, all right, so I just opened the box, and this is what I have. There's some stuff in there, but it comes with a bucket. Nice. Oops. Okay. I'm assuming this is a gallon bucket, because that's what most cleaning calls for, a gallon bucket, I guess. So I'm going to say that's a gallon bucket. Ooh, wow, that was really close. Okay, so what else does it come with? All right, so it comes with an amber bottle, which is nice because I have a few of these, but they're all being used, and I definitely need more of these. But I use the amber bottles to make hair care products with oils, and I also want to buy. There's a recipe to make your own cleaning, your own mirror cleaning solution instead of using the store-bought stuff. Anyway, okay. And then there's this bag. Let's open it. Let's open it up. There's the bag. So, let's see. Keep things nice and tidy as I'm going through them. All right, so this nice bag. Okay. Oh, that might be the recipe book. All right, so. Oh, the oils are in there. Oh, yeah, baby. All right, what's this? I'm trying to open a piece of cardboard. It's not gonna happen because there's nothing in there. All right, so in the bag, there's a cleaning cloth, and then there's some oils in here. Hold on. Okay, let me get them out first, because there's side pockets that I'll show you in just a minute once I get the oils out. All right, it's coming. All right, so inside the bag, there's little pockets here on that side, and then also on this side, little compartments. So that's pretty cool. So the oils that come with this kit: Thieves, Purification, Pine, Lemon, Citrus Fresh. And these are all oils that make your home smell citrusy or, you know, outdoorsy or just fresh. And it's what, there's scents that come in, you know, other cleaning products, but only here you can customize how you want your house to smell. Oh, okay, one last thing. Thieves Cleaning Solution. There are so many things you can do with this. I'm telling you. You can use it, you can stretch this bottle. I have 2 bottles that I bought because I bought the bundle, the Thieves bundle, which is different. It's different than the cleaning kit. But the Thieves bundle comes with 2 bottles. Well, it came with, when I got it, it came with 2 bottles of this. I've only used half of it, and I bought the bundle the beginning of this year, and I've only used half of a bottle because you can stretch it. Amazing product, you guys. I am telling you, start with this. Start with this Thieves Cleaning Solution. I am telling you, life changer. All right, so I'm assuming this is a recipe booklet. Hold on, I'm gonna, Thieves Home Cleaning Kit. Okay, yeah, okay, hold on. Yes, you guys. Okay, so okay, so this is a recipe booklet that comes with it, and in here it has excuse me, in here it has everyday cleaners is the heading, and then all-purpose cleaner. You guys, remember how I said you can stretch this? The recipe in here, the first recipe calls for a capful, 1 capful of this. Do you understand how long this is going to last you? A while. So a capful of Thieves household cleaner, 2 cups water, and then combine and store and bottle. This is all-purpose cleaner, so can use it. I use it. I even use it to dust. I do, because that's what I used. I fill up a amber bottle with a cap full of the cleaning, and then water. I go around my entire house and I just use it. I clean with it. Even my living room and dining room. That's what I do. And it lasts a while. And then there's also deep cleaning. Okay, well, my camera isn't the greatest, but there's a deep cleaning scrub. Okay, and then in your kitchen, there's recipes for cleaning your kitchen. In your bathroom. All kinds of recipes for your bathroom. And then for your floors. And it's all using this right here. I'm telling you, it goes a long way. And then, of course, keep your home safe and clean with Thieves. Yes. You guys, start with this product. If you wanna start detoxing your home and getting a really really good deep cleaning, and start with this. Start with this. I don't mind. I feel so confident with this that I don't mind. Like after I clean the floors, if my fur babies sniff around like, ooh, what is that? I don't mind, because this is safe. It's clean. And this is the only product I will use. This is now my third bottle. Like I said, this goes a long way. So I'm going to be set for a while, okay? And then again, you get your bucket. Your bucket. Why am I having issues? It should not be this difficult. All right. It was just me. All right. Remember the name. Okay. And then you also get amber bottle. And when you use oils, when you concoct your own, I'm actually going to do another video on oils, because I kind of got carried away with creating bottles of oils. Because what happens is that when I use an oil and it's gone, I'll put it in my bathroom with the cap off, just to, let the rest of the oil filter through the air, especially in the bathrooms. You know what I'm talking about. And then after that, I'll go ahead and wash them out, and then I'll just mix my own bottles. Okay, I'm going to put this away, but you also get this in the kit. So I have a lot that I've concocted. Yeah, concocted. I did it. Sorry. All right, you get your oils, 5 oils. Your cloth, bag. Oh, there's a pocket in the back. Look at that. Bag, recipe book. I'll put the link again in the description of where you can get it, and then you'll just click on Stacy's monthly subscription. Tomorrow's the last day for it, because December is a new month, so I'm buying new things. So make sure you get your Thieves Home Cleaning Kit. All right. So that's it for today. Some point this week, I'm going to do another video on all the oils. All the oil recipes I made. Yep. Is it overkill? Probably, but you'll see. Anyway, all right, I'm going to put the link of where you can get this kit in the description, and then just click on Stacy's monthly subscription, and everything I bought for November will pop up. Okay? If you have any questions, please contact me. My contact information, you can just click on contact me, and I will get back with you, answer any questions you have, And I can't wait to see what you get from the monthly subscription or just in general. And it's Cyber Monday today, so happy Cyber Monday, and I will talk to you all soon. Right, mwah, love you.